And away from economic stories, let's talk politics now. In Ondo State, southwest Nigeria, the State House of Assembly has vowed to go ahead with the impeachment proceedings against the deputy governor of the state, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, despite the lawsuit he filed to stop the move. A federal high court in Abuja had halted the impeachment process of Aiyedatiwa, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive matter. The judge also restrained the state governor, Rotimi Akeredolu, from nominating a new deputy and forwarded the same to the lawmakers for approval. But the Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Oladiji Olamide Adesomi, in a statement said the lawmakers said they would pursue the legislative process to a logical conclusion. The House said it will not abdicate or compromise its sacred constitutional duty to hold elected public officers accountable, particularly where there are prima facie serious allegations of corruption and abuse of power leveled against the deputy governor in this case. And now to discuss this, I'm being joined by a legal practitioner and a political analyst, Taiwo Ojumu, to talk more on this. Thank you so much, Taiwo, for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Now, since Governor Rotimi Akeredolu came back from his medical trip, it has been one drama or the other with his deputy who held the fourth in his absence, a relationship that, as we see it, has now gone sour. Now, what is the political climate like in Ondo State presently with all the ensuing drama?
All right, thank you very much. I must say that before I proceed, that of course it's not strange during the build-up days, weeks, and months to election for us to have a manner of drama, political alliances, intrigues, betrayals, and the like. And so I will not, in the course of discussing, I would not like to delve much into the propaganda and the conspiracy theories. I would just say, basically, to answer your question, that yes, in Ondo State, the political climate is more like suspenseful. We have suspense everywhere. People are asking questions, and of course, I believe that in the days to come, they will get answers. Yes.
Well, while the court has altered the impeachment process of the deputy governor by the State House of Assembly on allegation of corruption, the members have vowed to still proceed to seeing that they draw this to a logical conclusion. Now, knowing how the country's political terrain is, do you see this as a witch hunt, or the House truly has a case against him?
All right. Like I said earlier, I think I will limit myself to what we have, the facts, and not all the sentiments and propaganda. As of today, we have it on fact that the deputy governor of Ondo State has been served impeachment notice by the House of the Assembly. It's also a fact that 14 allegations have been levied against the deputy governor. I mean, different allegations on gross misconduct. Now, I have seen different arguments, especially from my colleagues, some for and the others against the move of the deputy governor going to Abuja to get a restraining order. Now, for me, I think I'm tempted to lean in favor of those who are of the opinion that what the deputy governor has done is, amounts to what we call abuse of court process. Abuse of court process in the sense that I think on Wednesday, there was a press release from the office of the deputy governor saying that he had not been served a notice of impeachment, or he has not received a notice of impeachment from House of Assembly. And then a day after, I think about 24 hours later, we saw that he has gone ahead to secure a ruling of the court. I mean, restraining another of the courts restraining the House of Assembly. Now, as a lawyer, the question that will come to mind naturally will be that can the court stop an arm of government that is a constitutionally guaranteed? I mean, can it stop the House of Assembly? What's it called? Can you stop them from performing their constitutionally guaranteed duties? That would be the question. It would have been a different thing if after the procedure, there were lacunas and there were breaches of the rights of deputy governor. But in this case, you have not been served a notice of impeachment, yet you proceeded to the court to get. I think I'm tempted to lean, like I said earlier, in favor of those who feel and who have said that it amounts to abuse of court process. Yes. So I think the House of Assembly is very much on point. I mean, they're in line to proceed with the impeachment proceeding. Yes.
So how does this whole issue affect the chances of the ruling party, that is the APC, in winning the forthcoming governor election in the state next year? Do you think that other parties like the PDP will be able to use the situation to their advantage?
Well, it will depend. It will depend on different factors. You and I know that they say in politics, a day could change a lot in politics. You know, the election or the Ondo State general election is still about 1 year from now, November. So, and this is September, and so we still have a whole year. A lot can still happen within a year. But in Ondo State, if there's a strong opposition like PDP, I think that instances like this can be explored. I mean, cases like this, when there's internal crisis of some sort in the ruling party, such instances can be explored by a strong opposition like PDP. But like I said earlier, a lot can still happen within 1 year. So it's too early to tell whether that will play a role. Yes.
Thank you so much, Taiwo Ojumu, for talking to us.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
You're welcome.